Hi everybody, it's Sheila. Welcome back to the Crochet Nurse channel. Today what I'd like to do with you is unboxing of some Happy Mail. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Well, I went to my post office box a few weeks ago, and I guess there was a backlog. It seems like I got a whole bunch of stuff all at once in my box, and so I'd like to go through some of that with you. I do know, like, there's yarn. I had a conversation with Lee, one of our subscribers in here, and she had sent me a box of yarn here, but I have other stuff here as well that I want to go through with you. And just FYI, stay till the end because I have a surprise for you. Okay, so first, I like to start with, believe it or not, these are some of the Christmas cards that I pretty much just got. So I don't know why, but that's the way it rolls. And I just wanted to acknowledge from the folks that I did get them from that I do have them. So this one here, I won't go through and show you all the little pictures because there's personal notes inside. But from Sheila Crochet, she sent me a cute little Christmas card. And then I put some little stickers in there and some tea and made me a nice little hair tie, which I absolutely will use. Thank you, Sheila. And then, of course, Creatively Tracy from Creatively Tracy sent me a Christmas card with some tea. And oops, she also sent me, along with that, this cute little skein of yarn. So 75 yards, and look at the color. Perfect for the Christmas time. So I'll be saving that and for next fall to work up something with that. But thank you, Tracy, for sending me that. And then Tammy sent me a Christmas card as well from Twisted Stitches. And that was cute. And I believe there was tea in there as well. And then, let me just kind of move some of this stuff over. The other Christmas card that I have is way over from Germany, and it's from Reggie from J-Hook Crochet. I'll just show you the top of that. And she also sent me some tea within the Christmas card as well. A Sanket thing from J-Hook, just while so I was surprised I had that from J-Hook. And then, where is it? I got another package here, and this one's not from J-Hook Crochet, but the contents are kind of ours, so I'm going to show you. So I opened this up. I didn't know what was going on, but I'll show you what it is. Let me rip this off. Crochet World magazine, and I got a note with it. I was like, what's going on? And the note is from Christy at Crochet Creations by Christy, and Reggie from J-Hook had won this on one of the lives from Christy and had Christy send it to me. So thank you, J-Hook, Reggie, for having sent this to me, because you know I'll definitely use this. And so in the future, you guys will be seeing what's in here. I've not had the time actually to go through here yet, and I just kind of thumbed through a little bit to see what's in, but we'll go through it together at a later time. But thank you for absolutely thinking. You know, I love books, so thank you for thinking of me in relation to that. Okay, I'm going to toss this stuff over here. So I know I'm kind of moving a little fast. Mail is what it is for me. I live in South Carolina, but for some reason my post office, I can send out stuff and get to other people pretty quickly, but for some reason it just takes forever to get to me. So if you all send me stuff, I am not ignoring you, okay? All right, so let's move on. Lee sent me this. Now this is cute. I was conversing back and forth via email with Lee. We had done a swap, I think it was back in September. And this is actually the box, believe it or not, that I sent to her. And then when she emailed me, she says, Sheila, I'd like to send you a few things, because she's kind of destashing, and she wanted to send me a few things. And I said, sure. And she says, okay, I'm going to send it in the same box. Well, when I got the box, it was the exact same box. So what she did is she had kept the box that I had sent her. She repackaged her stuff in here and sent it over to me. And so, and I emailed her back and I says, I thought you meant the same style of box, not the box. So it was like, that was very cute. And so anyway, so let's get in here. I mean, the box came pretty mangled, as you can see, but I was like, that's just my post office the way it is, and it's just the way it is. And she had we talked about this already, but yeah. Okay. So let's grab some stuff out of here. I already know because we'd already chatted. So she sent me some Karen Simply Soft. Look at that color. Look, if you look behind me right there, that is from Yarnspirations. That's that Tent Sale Monster Ball. This is the identical color for that up there for the Sprite. This is just in Karen Simply Soft. And we all know what that is, 311 yards, 100% acrylic. And I love this color. Clearly, because I have a big ball up behind me. Let's see what else we got in here. And this is hers destashing. Now we have a couple of balls of this guy. Isn't that pretty? It's coming up with a lot of red in there, but it's really purples and maybe about right there, lime greens and like a lavender. There is no red in here. There's no red. And this is actually, there's two skeins of this, and this is soft and shiny. Of course, it's the equivalent to Karen Simply Soft. I talked about this a while back on a different video. I actually compared these two, and they are very, very similar. And I actually use these together a lot of times, because I have Karen Simply Soft and I have Soft and Shiny behind me. And I have no qualms about using them together. Both are considered a size 4, a 4 weight, but I consider them kind of a small 4 or a light 4. And you can see how that pretty that looks together. That would make something really nice together. So let's see what else is in this box. Get in here. Oh, okay. There is another ball. So that gives me 2 of this color and then 2 of the variegated. Let's get in here. All right. Now we have a 3-pack, and look at that color. Let me look at for a second. There's one hanging out by itself. And there's a ball. So she made one into a ball already. So I guess she started using the ball and then changed her mind. I'm going to actually open this so I can get a better look at the color. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, that's soft too. Get out of there. I'm pulling the labels off. We don't want that. I need to keep these labels intact. Here we go. This, Red Heart Soft Baby Steps, 204 yards, and super soft. And this is in the color Tickle. That's pretty. I'm going to bet that this is acrylic. I imagine it is. But it is super soft. Look at that color. Man, does it go well with that other stuff. I don't know that I would use, let me grab this one. Does it look good with that? No, I don't think that one's, maybe a little bit for like a trim. But these are kind of like a standalone. And this has got beautiful color. Those lime greens, you guys know how I like the greens and the purples. She knows me, she knows me. And it is a 3. And you can see there, super soft. So 600, there's probably 800 yards. Definitely enough to make an item, for sure. For sure. Okay, let's see what else is in this box. One more thing in here before we get to some other stuff. I don't know what, and I actually have to email her and ask her what kind of yarn this is, if she even remembers, because I know she'd said she's kind of cleaning things out, and she has like 6 big bins of things that she's cleaning and trying to destash a little bit. But definitely just a black yarn. I'm going to assume it's an acrylic, but it is super soft as well. Thank you, Lee. I super appreciate you thinking of me and sending these over to me, and I will absolutely put it to good use so your yarn will have a good home. Okay, so next up I wanted to share with you that I got another magazine subscription, Okay, yeah, I'll show it to you next week. But here's what happened. And this is where the little surprise comes into play. So I got the magazine, I purchased the magazine, and then I didn't receive the magazine. And so I contacted the folks and said, hey, I didn't get the magazine. It was supposed to be here already, right? And they didn't, and they says, okay, we'll send it to you. We made a mistake, blah, blah, blah. Well, in between time, they sent me the first magazine, right? And then I got in the mail, I got a Syncit copy of the magazine. And then they also sent me another little gift here. But the Syncit, I know that's what this is because it's from the company, but they sent me Interweave Crochet, and this is a Syncit copy. As you can see, I still have it in the package. And this is what, because I have a Syncit copy of this, and because next week I'm going to show everybody what's in there, but I'm going to go ahead and give this away for somebody who's on, from here. So what we'll do, and at the same time they sent me a little bag, which, I'll put that to good use, but it says wine, so it doesn't have anything to do with crochet, or I would say I'll send that over to you too. So what I'm thinking, I have a Syncit copy. Like I say, it's brand new in the wrapper. I've not messed with this. And if you want this magazine, just put in the comments below, somewhere in your comment, just put mag, so I know that you want the magazine, and I'll draw it next Sunday. Is what I'll do, is I'll draw that for next Sunday, so that and whoever it is, I'll send you the magazine. Okay? But yeah, I mean, no sense in it sitting with me, because you guys can have it. All right? All right, so I'm just going to put it in there and wrap it back up, so that way I'm not touching it with my grubby hands. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share with you today. Like I say, the mag, as I say, it's not affiliated with YouTube, anything like that. This is just I got the extra from me to use. So if you want it, like I say, put mag, and I'll use the random picker and do that next Sunday, and I'll post it next Sunday. And then just contact me and give me your email, your address, so I can mail it to you. All right, but that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments box below, and I will chat with you next time. Have a fantastic day, y'all.